Welcome to Santa Clara's Westwood Oaks neighborhood. Hi, I'm Vinicius, Brasil, the Santa Clara real estate guy, and I specialize in Santa Clara homes and neighborhoods. And today I'm excited to show you a great Santa Clara neighborhood located right here at 95051. Westwood Oaks is one of Santa Clara's most coveted neighborhoods. Originally developed by David Bohannon in the mid-1950s, the neighborhood consists of around 580 ranch-style single-family homes with 3 to 4 bedrooms and varying elevations. The neighborhood is located on the southwestern corner of Santa Clara and is walking distance to Apple Computer's world headquarters, also referred to as the Spaceship campus. The Westwood Oaks development had won a number of awards for its forward-thinking designs. The homes featured open kitchens and spacious living rooms and were some of the first homes to include sliding glass patio doors that overlooked the backyard. The original home sizes varied from 1,250 to about 1,500 square feet and were situated on 6,000 square foot lots. Over the years, we've seen quite a bit of construction of new and remodeled homes throughout the Westwood Oaks neighborhood. Some of the unique aspects of Westwood Oaks is that it features not one, but 2 neighborhood parks: the newly renovated Westwood Oaks Park and Jenny Strand Park. There's also the Kona Swim and Racket Club, which used to be the neighborhood cabana club, but is now a private tennis and swim club that is open to membership outside the neighborhood. The neighborhood has a convenient location with easy access to Lawrence Expressway and Highway 280. It's in close proximity to Cupertino Main Street, which features a number of great restaurants and cafes, as well as shopping along Stevens Creek Boulevard. Perhaps the most sought-after feature of Westwood Oaks is that a majority of the homes fall under the Cupertino School District, with schools being Eisenhower Elementary, Hyde Middle, and Cupertino High. A smaller section in the northwest corner of the neighborhood falls under some of Santa Clara Unified's top schools, such as Laurelwood Elementary, Peterson Middle, and Wilcox High School. Thanks for joining me on this video tour of Santa Clara's Westwood Oaks neighborhood. For more information about Westwood Oaks, visit our Westwood Oaks page on our website. I provided the link down below. You can message or email me to receive our Westwood Oaks market update with the latest active and sold homes in Westwood Oaks. If you've got any questions about Westwood Oaks or any Santa Clara neighborhood, feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to talk to you. Until next time, this is Vinicius, Brasil with the Brasil Group and Keller Williams.